Hey you guys, welcome to our empty house tour. Now if you checked out our last video, we closed on this beautiful home of ours that you're looking at right now. So coming through, this is our entryway, which I love so much because it's so spacious. I love this whole thing right here. I could just throw some plants on there, and I also have an outlet on top so we can just put on some Christmas lights over there or anything else we can think of. And from the entryway, the first doorway you see here, this is my baby office, and this is her studio. I love the natural lighting in the room. It's kind of gloomy outside because it's been rain. So I know she's gonna eventually have a desk here, probably a booth there, and I think she might want to make this room soundproof. I'm not sure, but I know she had great plans in this room, and I know one day she's gonna make us very, very rich. Keys yesterday, we couldn't resist. It was a really good deal. This is our living room, dining room, and of course the kitchen, our beautiful open floor plan. I never had carpet before, but you know, me and Bae compromised with the carpet, and she wanted carpet, but I am actually loving it. The first thing was it ran and laid on this carpet, and it was a great moment, and I just love it. So if you're not a carpet fan, I have dogs too. You guys are gonna meet them in a minute, but I ain't gonna lie, she won me over with that. So Bae, you're right on this one. And another good thing about this living room is we have a beautiful floor outlet. So we never have to get up when our phone dies. Laptops or anything. We can just, trust me, that's gonna be a really good use. This is our dining room area. I already have a chandelier coming in today because I really don't like it. It's ugly and it don't really go with the kitchen. And we have so much plans for this kitchen that I'm trying to, it's perfect, but I'm just gonna tweak it a little. I just love this area where we can have a nice long dining room table so when we have family guests. They have a huge family, and I can't wait for the Thanksgiving dinners, Christmas dinners, and all that stuff that we're gonna have. So coming in from the dining room, we have this beautiful kitchen with this huge island that you guys see here. Me and Bae moved in yesterday. We closed, of course, so we had some champagne, which was really, really good.
I think it's sparkling wine.
But you ain't had it, but you popped it.
Yeah, but because it's sparkle.
Oh, well, I like this. I'm not a drinker. This had me right, completely
Yeah,
right.
it was delicious.
I need to get another bottle of this. But this is our beautiful fridge. Oh, it's real cold now, babe. It literally just came in this morning. Bottom, freezer, which I'm really looking forward to. It just looks so fancy. And I'm like, you know what? Why not? Let's get a bottomless freezer. French door, why not? We got the house, let's do it, right? So the house came with these appliances. It came with the stove, it came with the microwave, and it came with a dishwasher, and me and Bae had to get the fridge, laundry. So this is our dog's food. They were so excited about the house that they didn't even eat.
They really have, man. I know they hungry.
They didn't, I know they're hungry, they didn't even eat.
She didn't tell y'all about, pay attention to the crown molding. It's one of my favorite details about the kitchen.
Yeah, it's really a good, important detail.
Yes.
But this island is a statement.
This is her.
Let's just give a moment for the island, you guys. A moment.
5 minutes later.
So this is our pantry. It's not really a mess. There's no food in here, you guys. But what we do have is tissues and napkins and paper plates and spoons. And we bought a vacuum, a small vacuum. But moving forward, our laundry room. Again, we just got our appliances today, so we had got a really good deal off these Maytags. If I tell you, you won't believe it, but a really good deal. If you hung our dog leashes here for now, our dog food's here. We have already detergents and all that stuff. We just have to pick that up. And yes, I'm really loving this, especially since we're getting a king size bed and we can watch it all in this. I never thought I'd be excited for appliances. This is real life adulting, you guys. Real life. Like I was so excited just to hear the sound it makes when you turn it on. Like, not like that. That's all artist, baby. Okay, coming here to this door. We have our garage. My car is here. It's a 2-car garage, but base car outside because we about to run some errands today. This is our second day in the house. Nothing really fancy, just a 2-car door garage.
Go into it so they can see the size. You're going to just stand there?
Oh.
No, and you're going there. I said into the garage.
Oh, into the garage.
Yeah, babe. Thanks.
And it also came with another plus about this house. It came with hurricane shutters already. So when it's time for that storm, pop some babies already from outside and we'll be A-okay. We ain't gotta board nothing. That already came with the house. So this was a huge plus. And this is where our AC is at. Nothing fancy.
Just an AC.
Just an AC. Ooh, it's really cold in there. All right, moving along. From the living room, we're gonna go into our master bedroom, which is on this side of the house. And this is Poppy and Sebastian.
Ouch.
Hi Poppy, hi Sebastian, say hi to the vlog. And of course, we just got the house yesterday, so we got an air bed, so that's what we're sleeping on currently until our furniture comes in and we finish moving our stuff. This is where the dogs are sleeping at, their little houses. And this is our walk-in closet. Kind of like a little messy because it's just like a night bag right now because we don't really have anything in here. But we have some shoes. We're eventually gonna change out this closet anyways. We're gonna do most likely IKEA.
Or California closets.
California closets, custom closets. Maybe not right away, of course, because we're gonna just like enjoy the house for a little bit. But this is also on our projects to do list. Coming in from there is our master bathroom. Wait, bathroom. Master bathroom. So this is our me and Bae's master bathroom. I finally said it right?
Yeah.
I don't know why I so thrown off the tongue.
Master bathroom. It's the master bathroom, babe.
We got the hers and hers sink. We don't know which side is ours yet. We just gonna let it flow.
This is my side. We're gonna get that out
so
of
you
the way.
already chose. Okay.
And this is my tub. And yeah, that's the way it is. This is my tub.
This is our tub.
This is mine.
This is our tub. They really wanted this backsplash. And she really wanted this tub first of all. Like she fought for this tub. I didn't really care for the tub, but she fought for it. She said, I'm gonna lay in this tub. I work hard for my money. But the backsplash was a really nice touch to it. This is our shower.
The subway tile.
No, this is not subway tile. The subway tile is another one.
They're the same.
No, they're not. Definitely not. I'll show you.
Okay.
Behind you is
A toilet. Which
a
is your
toilet,
business.
which is really, oh no.
Just a toilet.
Which is a toilet. But it's not closed off. That's the important part. That's so important. Hi, Poppy. Bye, Sebastian.
Say bye, people.
Bye. You guys should have really seen them running up and down the house. They knew we were moving. I don't know how, but they really knew we were moving into this house. Like, crazy. So going into the other side of the house.
Our dogs have people in them.
They just knew we were ready to go. Now on this side, we have a closet here that we're gonna just store some empty towels. Towels, so stupid. Some towels in here, some stuff that you have for the guests, probably a couple of throws from the couch. Then in here, we have my beauty room. I'm not sure, I don't think I'm gonna make this into an office. I know it's gonna be a beauty room / guest room in case we have extended guests, but for a fact, this is my beauty room. I kind of have a vision of how I'm setting up, but this is not something I'm going to tackle right away. But I know I'm going to record in here, do my makeup in here, and maybe possibly change out this closet, but just make it more shelving in here, just so I can store more things to keep it out here. I'm trying to be more organized in my life. So that's that. Then we have our guest bathroom. This is our guest bathroom. This is a subway towel.
Look the same.
No, it don't. It's just longer.
It's rectangle instead of square. You got squares.
Okay, babe. For a simple toilet, same concept with the marble countertops and the black cabinets, medicine cabinet, all that jazz. Then from there, we have another, well, the coat closet, but I still feel like they should have put that there and not here. And then we have our guest room. And I love it how it's like all the rooms that we have with 7 guests will be on the other side of the house and we can have our privacy there. They have a view to the backyard. Our neighbors are pretty loud right now.
And I hope that's not how they'll always be.
I hope so too.
Early in the morning.
Early in the morning, not even 10 o'clock yet. And this is our the guest room's closet. Simple but cute. It can store a lot of stuff in here. And then this is going to be Bae's favorite parts of the house that we're going to right now.
The porch. I like it. Some more left. Oh, thank you for taking your shoes off.
We appreciate it. So this
Got you.
is our screen patio. This is a huge touch. I always want a screen patio. I feel like I want to be outside, but I don't want to be outside. And I don't want to keep getting bit by mosquitoes, but I want to be outside when I don't want to be inside. And this was like the perfect concept. So having it screened in was just basically perfect for us. And then seeing these trees out in the morning, I just love it.
Yo, remember back on the bully when cats used to harmonize like...
So this is our empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. I got so
I got sandals.
He literally put on my sandals.
You put them on for real.
He really did. Thank you guys for coming to our empty house tour. This was a long time coming. Me and Bae, I said this house was perfect like I don't know how many times. Me and Bae love this house. It's our first home. We saw it built from the ground up and can't wait to do this journey with you guys. I have so much videos coming for you guys, so just stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, like, what are you doing? Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. It's only take like 2 seconds. It's not hard. Comment your favorite part of this house. Tell me how you feel about that kitchen, because them keto videos coming. I know y'all ready for them, but them coming, okay? But we got some errands to run, so I'm glad you're here, but you guys got to go. I'll catch y'all. Well, y'all see me in the next video. So, y'all have a good day. Bye.